We hope that with this, he will come here more often and bring your children also here. So on behalf of us, we are happy to give you this 100 Kidso plaque in brass. The council kids will be joining us to interact with Mr. Khan, and I will now hand over the mic and the stage to him.
Thank you. Thank you very much, everyone. Good evening. Can I just come there and speak a little? Good evening, everyone. And I need to make a little speech because this is an important day. This should have happened perhaps on Children's Day, but then I'm working on Children's Day. I don't get holidays. So I thought tonight or this evening is the day that we can all sit down. First of all, apologies for the delay. I've been traveling, so I've just come straight from the airport. I want to say a few things about children, and I hope that makes sense to you. Thank you. I have a very bad sinus, so my eyes are all swollen up, so I have to wear these dark glasses to keep looking handsome. Okay, I want to say something that has been prepared for me, and I think it's an important aspect, and then we'll have all the fun and games and meet everyone who's responsible for, all of us are responsible for children, but people who are responsible for entertaining them in a way which is educational and wonderful. I do believe India is a young country, like we all know, and kids are our agents of change. They are our future, and today is an important day. We are going to talk about empowering children to make this world a better place. Kidzania and I believe that kids can make a difference, and it's our responsibility as parents and teachers to help create an environment that allows them to develop. I'm excited to see our first batch of Kidzania Council members who are going to come on stage in a bit. They're going to keep us connected with the kids of Mumbai and inshallah, as the years go by, the rest of the country, so that we can best understand how to give the kids the best experience here in Kidzania. Every child is unique, and we must celebrate their uniqueness. Kids can do amazing things if given a chance, and we have to build a city for children. Kidzania, where they can learn how to manage their world better. At Kidzania, we teach them about the rights that we feel is important to be protected and treasured. Rights to be, to know, to create, to share, to care and to play. We must give them the freedom to follow their passion. Kids today are very aware of their environment and are willing to contribute to making it better. As you saw, and perhaps you will see later in the videos that we show you, at Kidzania, we have taken many key initiatives for children to participate in the development of their communities. And we saw many kids here donate towards the Kidzania Santa, Greener World, and Let's Build JNK initiative. And this will have a positive social impact, we believe. Every child inspires to be an adult, and we must take the right steps to set examples of being good adults and citizens. So let's celebrate Children's Day every day and make a promise to help them make this world a better place. And I want to thank you all the parents, all the caretakers, everyone who works here for making this effort that we try to change the lives and future of our children, because that's important, especially the one who's waving out to me. Thank you very much, everyone, being here. Thank you. Sorry I took this while. We'll just meet the council now.
Okay, now we will invite the council kids, please.
I think your mic's not
there. May I now invite the Mayor of the city and Facility Director, Mr. Yazdi Khambata, along. Kidzania is about real-life experiences, empowering, inspiring, and educating children through role play. And since today is a day all about empowerment, I would request and like Mr. Khan to please share his thoughts and views on this. Cool. The goal of education is to enable children to learn, realize their full potential, and participate meaningfully in society. Kidzania is a theme park that adds new bases of fun and learning to the educational concept. Designed by educators and developed to match school curriculum around the world, the highest standards of learning are employed at Kidzania. Kidzania offers its visitors Ms. Leena Asher, Founder Director, Kangaroo Kids Education Limited, Mrs. Jyoti Nair, Director, New Horizon Scholars and Neo Kids. I would request both Mr. Khan and Mr. Kumar to please hand over a memento on behalf of Kidzania Mumbai to each of the guest panelists. Could I request everybody to come together for a photo opportunity, please? Sanjeev, one.
Yeah. Yeah, let's have one photo opportunity.
Mr. Khan, you should be in the center. It's a K on your heart. Kai. Thank you.
Everyone, I'll meet as soon as I finish all this.
Just hold on, please, right now, please.
I'll do it, ma'am.
Ma'am, just
Yeah.
hold on.
Might we just take it from her? I'll take it in.
We're now going to begin the session.